Okay, we've got, who's on the bottom? Oh, there goes Chanel. Who is that on the bottom? That's Max on the bottom. And Axe on top, and they're going to have a little scrap. Come on, you guys, be nice. Be nice. Oh, they're coming to see Timu. And there's Hugo. And Oscar. Hi, Oscar. And that's Chanel's head, and Axe just jumped in, and there's Chanel again. Oh, that was Cashmere, sorry, this is Chanel. Having some water. Everybody's squished in the corner over here. And Hugo's having water. And that's Max. Oh, somebody's coughing.